Yep, and the time it takes for me to grill a couple steaks, I'm going to tell you about a way that you can actually make legitimate money. Let's take a look at what we got going on here. Charcoal. Yep. Oh no, hang on. Two ribeye, ready to get started smoking. Yep, I know it. Alright, I know. Every time you get on YouTube, you see $100 in 10 minutes, $1,500 a month, $35,000 a month. Oh yeah, how to make money online. Yeah, well, that's all a bunch of BS because it just is. I have studied this, I've looked them over, I've even tried a lot of them. And once you get on YouTube and you start watching videos of that sort, anything, could be fishing, cooking, once you watch at least two videos, that weird memory of YouTube remembers the history of what you watch. So the next time, every time that you get on YouTube, it's going to start sending you those types of videos. How to make money, or how to fish, or how to cook, or all that stuff. And believe me, I'm all about all that stuff, but nobody really wants to actually work. I know I don't. Nobody does. For money. So how to make a lot of money quickly online. All those things are basically BS. Hey, go to this website, download this, write this down. Now you got to go over here and do this. Now you got to go over there and sign up for this one. I don't know. It's just, and most of these people you can't even understand. They talk so fast, you just can't understand them. And I'm here to tell you that there are ways to make money. And I'm going to tell you about one right now. Hang tight. Got to grill a steak. Okay, there's my ribeyes. There's my charcoal. I believe in leaving the old charcoal just for added flavor. Here's a handful of hickory. We'll put that on there. And, hang on, we got a little bit of mesquite. Gonna let that catch on a little bit. Ooh, that hot. We're gonna smoke these steaks for just a short minute. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna tell you about how you can make some legitimate money. That's right. Alright, so I know that you and most everybody has heard of Alibaba and AliExpress, all those types of, drop ship companies, buy cheap, sell high. Well, yeah, they do exist. But here's the thing. Most of everything, all their products are cheap. Not just price-wise, but cheaply made. And it takes forever to receive something that you ordered from one of them companies. Believe me, I've done it. I've tried all that. It doesn't, it's not going to work because the product is cheap. But there is one company that I know of, and I've ordered stuff from them that's actually here in America. It's called Dollar Days. DollarDays.com. And you can buy bulk items, and it's good stuff. Used to, you could get a pallet, a big giant box, like you see these people on TV that buy and sell. Same thing. You can order from Dollar Days and have a yard sale. You can do a flea market. I mean, you can do a yard sale every day and make a lot of money. But I'm just saying, DollarDays.com. I know, it's crazy. It's starting to rain here for a minute, and we're going to take a look at these steaks. Hang tight. Alright, let's check these steaks out. Woo! Man, sorry about the noise in the background. That's the rain on my tin roof. Two ribeyes, hickory and mesquite. Alright, let's put this back down and we'll talk about some more. Now, like I was saying, not necessarily with the dollar days and the Alibaba and the AliExpress and all that stuff, drop shipping, that sort of thing. Flea markets and yard sales, but you can do the eBay thing. Start you an eBay store. It's simple. I actually have one too, but you can order from Dollar Days, get your stuff in a plenty of hurry enough time, and sell it on eBay. But my suggestion would be, now that summer's coming on too, spring, summer, yard sales, flea markets, and eBay. But yeah, dollardays.com. American company, there's a bunch of them. There's not just one. I mean, there's a headquarters, but there's distributing outlets, across America. But anyway, yeah, that's something else. We've got these steaks going on, but we'll talk about it a little bit more. Hang tight. All right, let's go ahead and move these steaks over on top of that, because they've been smoking for a little bit. And let's actually start the cooking process. That's right. I know. Crazy. And yes, it is easy, very easy to get caught up in all that how to make money, how to change your life in one day, 1 week, 1 month. It is very easy. I still watch a lot of the videos because I get tidbits of knowledge from each one. And there's hundreds of them and hundreds of them. Like I said, but if you really legitimately want to make legit money, yeah, I know it. You got to do it, There's some investment. You can't just sit at the house, get on the internet, and make money. It's not that way. No matter what you see, what you believe. Yeah. But I love my job, but hey, I do security for a living. Anyway, hang tight. Let's check these steaks again. All right, yeah, and those are just about right. So let's get back to how to make legit money. All right, steaks are done. Yep, but this channel is not. If you like and subscribe, because there's more to come. I'm going to show and tell how to make legitimate money and not get trapped in this online how to make $500 a day BS stuff. Some of those things can give you a computer virus. Anyway, yep, please like and subscribe. Hang tight. There's more to come.